Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is probably cut up worried by a mole in his office. It seems this mole passes out some confidential information to the general public. Now the Chief Minister has taken a strict step to get rid of mischievous practice of that unidentified mole.
Botheration of Parrikar government could be understood by these lines of office memorandum issued by General Administration Department that the contents of agenda are being divulged to the general public before the same are brought up for discussion in the cabinet meeting. Terming this as a serious lapse, this memorandum warns concerned government official to face disciplinary action if caught. Beyond warning, government has taken some security measures too to get rid of this practice. Government has directed HODs of all the secretariat departments to submit the cabinet notes in a sealed confidential covers only. The government has given responsibility to Under-Secretary to make sure that the agenda items are circulated to the ministers without oozing out the information. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Officer on special duty Dr. Radhika Naik has said that parents have no objection if both victim girls continue their schooling along with other children in MPT-run school. Dr. Radhika Naik held a meeting of the parents on Saturday to discuss the security and safety aspects of the students on the backdrop of the minor rape case. Officer has also offered to provide counselling sessions to the family of the victim girl at their leisure.
Government of Goa has appointed Dr. Radhika Naik as officer on special duty to Sada school, wherein a minor student was raped by unknown culprit a month ago. OSD Dr. Radhika Naik called meeting of parents of the student from primary section. The meeting was held at secondary school hall premises at Sada, and it mainly discussed about the safety and security aspects in the school. Counseling to the victim girl and family was also an agenda for the meeting.
We should have proper academic instruction in the classes. So या खातीर आमी already advertisement दिल्ले आसा पेपरान part-time teachers appointment temporary teachers appointment करपाक till the end of the academic year, so that जे टिचर्सांक कामांतल्यान suspend केल्ले आसा तांचे जाग्यार नवे टीचर्स येतले आनी जी हेडमिस्ट्रेस आता फुल टायम आमी तिका हेडमिस्ट्रेस दवर म्हण सांगला ऑफिशिएटिंग तिजेय क्लासेस कोणे तरी कंडक्ट करपा जाय भुरग्यांचे नुकसान जावपाक जायना म्हणून. So appointment interviews are scheduled for Monday, and immediately appointments will be made and the classes will resume normally without any disturbance.
Officer informed that parents have unanimously resolved that both the victim girls should continue their schooling and they have no objection about it.
आनी एक डिमांड आशिल्लें पेरेंट्साचे की ते दोनी भुरग्यांक इस्कॉलान येवपाक दिवचे म्हणून. सो हांवें भुरग्यांक पेरेंट्साचेच रिएक्शन घेतलां कि are they willing for that child to be sent to the school, because it should not be tomorrow that they only say आमचे भुरग्या बरोबर त्या भुरग्याक कित्याक धाडला म्हणून ताजेरूय कितें वाद विवाद जावपाक शकता म्हणून. पूण युनॅनिमसली सगळे पेरेंट्सांनी सांगला की ते दोनी चलयांक इस्कॉलान धाडल्यार तांची कांय हरकत ना म्हणून.
Meanwhile, Vasco police have taken 5-day police custody to Vijay Kumar Gowda, the accused, held for outraging modesty of a schoolgirl while she was on her way to home along with her mother on Friday. Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Thousands of Goan youth working in neighbouring states are unable to attend the Carnival celebrations in the state due to sudden hike in bus fares. The AC and non-AC tourist bus operators have doubled the fares. According to survey conducted by Speak Goa, nearly 50,000 Goan youngsters deprived to enjoy Carnival due to fare hiked. Speak Goa decided to fight PIL in High Court and to submit memorandum to Goa government.
The normal fare is 700 rupees to 800 rupees and can go as low as 500 rupees on non-peak weekdays. On Thursday, the fare went up to rupees 1,800 per seat, and on Friday evening some travel agents who had tickets available were charging up to 2,500 rupees per seat. The rate for a Volvo sleeper seat in Borivali in suburban Mumbai to Goa was quoted at 3,000 rupees.
Prior to Carnival.
Okay.
And once or twice, about 4 or 5 times in a year, the tourist operators arbitrarily hike the prices without any sort of explanation or any other reason. 700 rupee seat becomes 2,000 rupees, which is almost 3 times the increase, or 300% increase. There is no rationale, there is no reasoning for such. It is what you would call predatory pricing.
According to survey conducted by Speak Goa, there are over 50,000 Goan youngsters who work in Mumbai, Pune and Bangalore in call centers and financial services sector. Most of these youth wanted to attend the carnival celebrations in the state but were unable to make it due to the last-minute hike in bus fares. Opine De Costa.
The problem is more so with the local Goans.
Okay.
See, a tourist mentally is prepared to spend 10,000 rupees, 5,000 on travel and 5,000 on accommodation. But what happens to the Goan youth who are working in Bombay? What happens to the Goenkars who are working in Bangalore?
Okay.
If they want to come to their own house, to their own home for the festival, whether it is Christmas, whether it is New Year, whether it is Carnival, whether it is Diwali, they have to pay 3 times to 4 times the amount.
Speak Goa will submit a memorandum to the Department of Tourism, the Tourism Minister and the Chief Minister's office on Monday. Speak Goa will file a PIL in High Court of Bombay at Goa on the predatory pricing tactics employed by interstate tourist bus operators during the Goa Carnival and during the Christmas and New Year season.
We are going to submit a memorandum, 1 to the Minister, 2 to the Chief Minister, and 3, we are also planning to file a PIL in the High Court of Bombay, Goa.
Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Goa's All Goa Intercollegiate Debate was organized by Young Women's Christian Association. The debate was aimed in empowering the development of community, health of women, art and culture. The theme was, Is Tourism a Sustainable Development Strategy for Goa? In all, 8 colleges had participated at Ravindra Bhavan on Saturday.
Now that mining is totally at a halt, the tourism in Goa has to be boosted in a proper way, has to be taken in the right direction. If we are going to totally depend on tourism, it needs to be taken care of.
A viable strategy right now would be to develop the infrastructure of the other sectors and educating people about it and making them aware about the external things happening in the things happening in the state. People need to be aware.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.